Apple and Egg are going rowing with their classmates today. The river looks calm, but who knows what waits around the bend? Get ready for splashes, surprises, and teamwork in the river adventure.
Wow, Apple! What a beautiful morning by the river. The air feels so fresh. I can't wait to start a boat trip.
It really is, Egg. The river looks peaceful now, but I bet our adventure's just beginning. Look, Egg. So many boats waiting for us. Go on. You choose the one you like best.
Ha! Look at me, Apple. I'm a natural rower, smooth and steady. This boat's flying already. Okay, Apple, let me take the lead. I've watched tons of rowing videos. I totally know what I'm doing.
Egg, you're doing great. Really. But if we both row together, nice and steady, we can go straight and faster. When we work as a team, we can get past any rock or wave in the river. Together, we can do anything.
It's getting really dark, Apple. I'm afraid. I don't like the storm at all.
Hey, Egg, it's okay. We just need to stay calm and paddle together. As long as we're a team, everything will be all right. Here, put on your life jacket.
Wow. The clouds are gone. The river looks so calm again. I feel so much better now. What a crazy storm that was. Ah, Apple, the boat's moving faster now. I can feel the current pulling us. It's getting really strong.
Keep going, Egg. You're doing great. Just like that. We can do this. Don't stop now. We'll get past the whirlpools together. We did it, Egg. I told you. When we work together, nothing can stop us. Teamwork always finds the way.
Haha! Hey, Apple! I can see the dock ahead. After that storm, the rapids and the waterfall. Haha! I think I'm starving.
Rowing down the river with such an experienced rower like you, Egg, has been fantastic. I can't wait for our next trip together.
Oh, thanks, Apple. That's really sweet of you to say. Honestly, your support gave me the strength to keep going. I can't wait to share another adventure with you.
What a fantastic day for Apple and Egg. Through storms, rapids, and waterfalls, they learned that teamwork makes every challenge easier and every adventure more fun. Who knows where their next journey will take them?
The river's calling.